Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change language setting in PAC-MAN 256 app. First of all, launch open the PAC-MAN 256 application on your device, whichever device you are using. And from this main home page, click on the arrow button at the bottom right corner to open up this expanded menu. From here, click on the gear button. On the next page, you will see a language option. Tap on that. You can then be able to see several different language options. Click on your desired language. For example, if you want the display to change into Italiano, make sure to select Italiano. And with just a click of a button, you will see that your language setting has now changed. Go back to the same menu and choose a different language of your preference whenever needed. And there you go. That's how easy it is to change the language on your PAC-MAN 256 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.